Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your OnePlus 5. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume down button and power button for a few seconds. Okay, let's try. First, hold the volume down button and the power button together until the OnePlus logo appears, and release all buttons. Do you have old devices not being used at home? Trade them in for cash at swapsmart.com. It's quick and easy. Now you're asked to select your language. In this case, we will select English. Select Wipe Data and Cache. On this screen, select Erase Everything. Finally, confirm by selecting This cannot be undone. Wait for the factory reset to complete, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.